Hi everyone, it's about 2:30 and this is a stock that I have never really traded much in the last year and a half or so, but it's Broadcom and I like it and I like the group and I want to show you what I'm looking at. This is the weekly, which I really like, and one of the things that I really like about it is its entire consolidation here is above the breakout. And I know that I've used that before and it's generally worked out really well. But let's go back to the daily, and that's the same trend line. And this trend line hits all the way up, starting from back here in July 29th or 30th, runs right through this low here, runs right through this low here, almost here. Now, this little last week or so is also been flagging out, and it looks like a little bit of a nice flag here. It's right near the top Bollinger Band, but we have the high close here at 382.43, and currently we're 381.51. Now the options on this are a little on the thin side, and because of the price of the stock, they're also on the expensive side. But I looked at the spreads, and they don't make a lot of sense either, because it takes roughly $6 to buy a $10 spread, and so that's less than 1 to 1, and that's not something that I would suggest. But if you look at this and take a look at the on balance volume is below the 75-day linear regression. So it looks oversold, and I'll show you it looks overbought on the weekly. The problem with the weekly is the fact that it factors in this move from a close here of 317 to a low here of 155. So this is going to be consistently overbought. But on the daily, we actually are oversold. The high close here is, as I said, 382.43, and right now we're 381.46. And also, I think that this is actually fairly narrow. Let's go back to the weekly for a second. This, in general, is not as narrow as, example, it was here or here. But it looks to me like this wants to go higher. And so I'm going to look for something, maybe a 400, which is way out of the money. But nonetheless, one of the ways that I choose my options is where I think they're going to go, and which will become the most popular or favorable option for people who are just speccing. And we want to be in that before it gets there. So I'm looking at this chart and I'm saying, it could easily go up to, this 420 area. And on the basis of that, a 400 doesn't look so expensive. All right, folks, just an update and a suggestion. It's not an alert, but I really do like the trade, and I really expect it to work out. If I don't do anything else today, have a good weekend, and I'll be back with the letter on Sunday night and the pre-opening on Monday morning. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.